We welcome Chef Enzo Oliveri, a celebrity chef, TV personality, and a fellow of FIIHM to the world's greatest culinary competition as a senior judge.
Better known as the Sicilian chef, Enzo has popularized Italian cuisine in England. He is seen in the TV program Kitchen Impossible with chef Michel Rougier and Italian chef Aldo Zilli. His repertoire includes working for Princess Cruises, World Disney, Hilton International, Corinthia Palace and Trust House Forte. Oliveri is chef patron at Tasting Sicily Enzo's Kitchen in Piccadilly. He has received Cavalier Official OSI from the President of Italy, for his work as Ambassador of Italy in the world of hospitality, food, and culture.